The citation latitude coming from Sacramento McClellan to somewhere I've never heard before. Took a picture of it, so I'll put it in the description. Cool. It's at 41,000, so he has a contrail. Let him go. Meow. American 737. Pretty sure that's Phoenix to Chicago. Could be wrong. Still, cool find. Meow. The United 787-900 from LA to Newark. Don't get those confused. Newark's in New Jersey. New York is in New York. Very nice. Let him go. Meow. Southwest 737-700. Sorry, Southwestical. Going from, I want to say Phoenix to Midway. No. Colorado Springs to Midway. He may be turning. Using our VOR. Good on you, bud. Meow. We have as a Phenom way down there. Embraer Phenom 300. Santa Ana to Midway. Meow. We have an American 737 again. This one's coming from Tucson going to Chicago. Hopefully it waved to Pip Hastings Aviation as it took off. Very nice. Meow. We have as a Delta A321 from Detroit to Phoenix. Very nice. Meow. United 737-800. Excuse the wind. Some kind of positioning. Anyway. Meow. We have another Southwestical. This one's going from Denver to Cancun. Looky them. Meow. We have a retro Canyon livery. I think that's what they call it. Southwestical. Little Rock to Denver. With a bush cam. Nice. So I'm pretty sure we just got this guy. Is he turning again? This is the Charlotte to Denver guy. He just went south, did a loop, and now he's back here. Let me see if I can continue tracking him while I check flight radar real quick. Nope, can't. Oh, there he is. He's turning again, man. I wonder if he's in some kind of holding pattern. Interesting. That means that Southwest livery is also going. Actually, it is going the same flight pattern. I bet they're in holding patterns. Cool. I might get Southwest again. That Golden Desert livery or whatever it's called. You know. United A320 in a holding pattern. This one was going from Greenville to Denver. Greenville, South Carolina, that is. Very nice. goes turning. Can you imagine if these guys had contrails? It'd be like a racetrack in the sky. Southwestical retro and a holding pattern. Apparently Denver's on a ground stop due to weather, which it sucks, but we get to see the sky. I may run down to the airport. My wife's not going to like it. He's in a turn. We've already got one guy in this holding pattern diverting to our local airport here. That may be the guy that's diverting to our local airport here in Garden City. Cool. Meow. A321 American, Vegas to Charlotte. The plane we just got was a United. It was actually going from Houston to Seattle. Was not the one diverting, but still cool. Meow. That's the guy diverting the garden. He's our guy that we got a few minutes ago in the holding pattern. Come on, focus. Going from Greenville to Denver. Let's see if we can follow him. See if he makes his turn.